Crackers! Do you love crackers? Do you love the crunch of crackers? Do you love the ease with which you can pull crackers out, put cheese on top, and have something delicious for an appetizer? Hi, I'm Nika Waters, and welcome to Tasty Thursday. What if I told you making homemade crackers is so incredibly simple? Chances are probably pretty good on your boat. You are taking things like flour and salt, oil, seasonings, that sort of thing. Today, we are going to make some homemade crackers with a cup and a half, roughly, of flour. You can do a combination of whole wheat flour or regular flour. Probably about a quarter of a cup of cheese. This might not quite be enough liquid, and if it's not, I will just add a tablespoon or two extra. What I'm trying to do is to get it so that all the flour is incorporated, but that I don't have a lot of extra goop with it. So looks like I need a little bit more. Once you have gotten it pretty thin, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a sheet of parchment paper just because it makes it easier to transfer it once I get that done. So I'm going to put this on here. This parchment paper is just about exactly the right size to fit. But I'm going to take some rosemary and I'm going to sprinkle rosemary on the top of these to go with my Parmesan. And then I'm actually going to use the rolling pin and smash it in there. Prick it all over. And in the oven, these are going for 10 to 12 minutes or until they are beautiful and golden brown. Yum. After 10 minutes, this is what it looks like. And you may want to flip them around. You want them all to get nice and brown and crispy. So I'm actually going to leave these in for about 3 more minutes. And they are going to be just yum, yum, yum. What I'm going to do is take them off of the sheet and let them cool. They are not 100% crisp right now. They will crisp as they cool. So here you go. Ready? Crispy. And they haven't even finished cooling yet. If you wanted them to absolutely extra crisp, you could leave them in the oven with the oven turned off and the door just cracked open. Easy, easy homemade crackers from ingredients that you totally will have on board anytime you want. Don't think you can't have crackers. If in the Bahamas those things cost $7 a box, you can make your own. Happy, happy, tasty Thursday. If you like what you've seen, press like. Tag a friend you think should see it. Share it with somebody who loves appetizers and entertaining and crackers and things that are crunchy and things that you totally can make yourself. And don't forget to subscribe. There will be something else amazing, delicious, You totally can do it yourself next Thursday. Have the most delicious week. She's armed with the brand names crackers.